Yeshua said, you do not know who you pray, for salvation is of the Jews. Yeshua said, no, the Jews are right. You were wrong. You understand? Because salvation is of the Jews. Did you understand? That was the conversation. But she is saying, our fathers pray in that mountain. And this is the sin that God is speaking about. That they went to the mountains instead of going to the temple. Are you going with me? But here's something that I want you to see as well. In the temple, you remember the time when Yeshua went to the temple and he found people selling in the temple. And then he turned the temple according to the records. You remember? You know what was happening in that time? What was happening was, it was in the times of, the feast. So what people will do, because people will come from different places in the world in the time of the feast,